Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. The third unboxing blind buying video in a row. What is happening? I am continuing to waste my money for you guys. If you didn't see the previous videos, I unboxed some clones. I unboxed Mancera, Amore Cafe, and now I got 3 brand new Game of Spades fragrances to add to my collection. I got a huge box right here from the TikTok shop. Let's unbox it and let's see what new Game of Spades fragrances I got and hope that I did not waste my money. Let's go. Okay, what do we have here, man? We got a refill of Game of Spades Emerald, which I already own, so I will not be reviewing this one, but I ran out, so I had to get a replacement. But here we have the new ones. We have Game of Spades Diamond. Game of Spades Diamond, it is a black bottle, and I am sure this is a clone of Angel Share, but we'll see. We'll see if that's true. We have Game of Spades King, which I honestly forgot what it clones, so I'm gonna have to remind myself, or I might just smell it like that and try to make my educated guess. And we have Game of Spades High Roller, which I also forgot what it's a clone of, so I'm gonna have to remind myself, man. Which one should I start with? I think we're gonna start with Game of Spades Diamond. Why not? Why not? We are in the winter season. We are in the fall mood. Let's unbox the clone of Angel Share. So why did I buy more Game of Spades when I already own 11 different Game of Spades fragrances? Why not? I thought, why not complete the collection? You know, obviously I am still not done with all of them because there is so many Game of Spades fragrances out there, but I don't want to collect them all. For example, the Rouge, like the clone of Baccarat Rouge, I had a little sample. Did not like it at all. Did not like it. It gave me a headache. So I'm only buying the ones that I'm actually interested in. But anyway, here is Game of Spades Diamond. If it sucks, I'm gonna say it sucks. I'm gonna be honest. You guys know I don't lie. I am not gonna lie and lose the trust of you guys just for a couple bucks, and I'm not even getting paid, so I got no reason to lie. Let's see if this is as good, if not even better, than Angel Share, or is it as bad as La Tafacambra? Let's check it out. Beautiful atomizer like always. Bro, this is good. This is good. This smells like Angel Share. It smells like Angel Share, man. I've smelled Angel Share, I think 3 times in Sephora. Sprayed it in my hand. I wore it throughout the day. It was a pretty hot day too, and it smelled too good. It smells like a straight up apple pie, straight from the oven. It is more of an apple pie than Parfums de Marly Layton. I don't know how, like Layton is already so good, but Angel Share gives it a run for its money. I used to not be the biggest fan of Angel Share, but that is because I had smelled La Tafacambra and I was convinced that that was like an identical clone to the real Angel Share by Killian. But bro, we can't, like this, that is so disrespectful to compare it to La Tafacambra. Cambra does not smell anything like Angel Share. You know what smells something like Angel Share? This one, Game of Spades Diamond. You get a little bit of some booziness. Like I always have a little bit of trouble describing this smell because I don't drink, I don't consume alcohol, but to me, it feels like some liquor, you know, some liquor that you put in a transparent cup and you're like shaking it around and, you know, drinking little by little, mixed with some tobacco and some cinnamon, and of course that classic vanilla, which just gives it like this dessert gourmand ambery smell, man. It is such a beautiful smell. I feel like this, the Angel Share DNA and of course Diamond, is one of the most like edible smells, if you know what I mean. Obviously don't consume the bottle, don't be dumb and just drink the whole bottle. I mean that this smell just smells edible, you know what I mean? Like you kind of want to eat the person wearing it, or like if you're wearing it, you get hungry. This might be one of my new favorite Game of Spades fragrances just because the DNA that it clones is already so good and it matches this perfectly. Performance, we're gonna have to see, but this DNA usually performs really well, and again the similarity in the price point is just way better value for money. So we're starting off positive with my new Game of Spades Diamond. It's gonna get like a solid, I don't want to do it, but I think I'm gonna have to give it an 8.5 or a 9, close to a 9, man. This is so good. Next up, we got Game of Spades King, and I just searched it up on Google and it gave me the whole clone list, which is actually pretty cool if you want to, you know, buy the best Game of Spades fragrances based on the real fragrances that they clone. And this is supposed to be a clone of Sershov Herba Pura, which I am not so excited about because I've never smelled it, but the thing that I've heard about that one is that it is extremely fruity and feminine. So Oh man, I think I made a mistake buying this one. Let's see if it actually sucks as much as people say. Game of Spades King. Oh, okay. It's like a gold bottle, yellow bottle. I thought it was gonna be black because, you know, the box was black, but it is a yellowish bottle. I don't know, man. It's kind of ugly. It's kind of ugly. I don't know if I like it that much. I'm not excited for this one. Okay. It's not as bad as I thought. It's not as bad as I expected. I think I was ready for something horrible, man. Something extremely fruity and feminine, but it's not that bad. I can tolerate it. I can tolerate it, man. It's nothing special for right now, but it's definitely way less sweeter and fruity than I expected. I honestly think Game of Spades Win, which is a clone of Greenwich Village, is a lot fruitier, man, a lot sweeter. It's really floral too, but that one it was too sweet that it gave me a headache. And this one, no headache yet, so that is a plus. Nothing unique like that. Nothing that screams like choose me over your 100 colognes, you know, like it's nothing special like that. I can respect it for not being annoying, not being cloying. So, you know, definitely probably a better alternative to Herba Pura if you find that one too feminine. I do get the fruits, man. I get a little bit of vanilla in there. I get just the citruses, some maybe some orange, some lemon, but yeah, it smells fruity and vibrant and light. Wearable during spring, maybe summer. Like I said, these sprays are definitely not as sweet as I thought, so not the worst Game of Spades that I've tried. I respect it. I give it like a solid 5.5 out of 10. It's wearable. It's a decent, pleasant smell to just lift up your mood, but I don't find it to be anything special, man. So a 5.5 out of 10, a little bit above average, you know, just for first impressions, but it's probably gonna drop to like a 5. Still pretty impressed for right now. Last up, we got Game of Spades High Roller. So this one is for me. If you guys don't know, I play poker here and there. You know, I'm a little bit of a high roller. I'm not a high roller, bro. I hate losing. I probably gamble more just buying these colognes, man. Like, blind buying colognes is a gamble on itself, by itself. So let's hope High Roller is not a disappointment. Let's see. This one apparently is a clone of Creed Abentis Absolute. So I'm not too excited, man, because I do got Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition, and it's decent, but it's also nothing special. So hopefully this one is a little bit better than that one. Color is like a grayish type of color. Yeah, it looks kind of gray to me. It kind of just looks transparent on camera, but nothing special. Definitely a little bit more on the boring side of the bottles, but that's not the point. The point is, does it smell good? Let's see and let's hope. Right away, blasted with the pineapple, man. It is strong. The pineapple, really strong. It smells clean. It smells citrusy. It smells fresh, kind of masculine, but I don't think I like it more than Club de Nuit Intense, man. I'll be honest, man. I think the OG clone of Creed Abentis is better than, like, you know, the clones of Creed Abentis Absolute. I have the same feeling with Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition, where it's nice, it's decent, but I would not wear it over the original Club de Nuit Intense, man. I just feel like maybe this Creed Abentis Absolute DNA, it's not for me. A lot of people hype it up to be like one of the more masculine smells. They claim that if you want to smell like a boss, you know, like you want to smell like you run the place, then Abentis Absolute is the one for you. It smells a little bit too clean for me, you know, like a little bit too like safe. I don't know, man. Like High Roller, it doesn't feel like you're gambling. It feels like you're wearing a safe fragrance. So it might be good for some people, you know, it's good as a like nice daily wear for school, but I don't think this is gonna impress like a lot of people. You're not gonna stand out like that. You're not gonna, you know, feel unique wearing it. It smells like a classic freshie. Okay, just a quick little update, man. I just got back from church. I'm in the gym parking lot and I wore Game of Spades High Roller, and it was low-key pretty good, man. I liked it. It was really refreshing, almost like Creed Abentis-ish, like Club de Nuit Intense, man. And so I liked it. Really masculine, really lemony. So maybe I like it a little bit better than I did in this review, so just wanted to let you guys know because I think I was a little bit too harsh. It's something nice, man, for $50. I just can't see myself like paying this price for Creed Aventus Absolute, so maybe I am hating on that one, but this one, it's nice. I think it's worth the price in my opinion. I give it like a solid 6.5 out of 10. Definitely like it more than Game of Spades King, but it's a little bit too safe for me. I don't know, maybe I was impressed by this Game of Spades Diamond a little bit too much, that the rest kind of just went downhill from there. But again, it's probably gonna be in the top 6 to 7 fragrances from Game of Spades, so I respect it. Not a bad blind buy, man. Definitely did not waste my money. I feel like it's pretty safe and I'll be happy with it. I'm gonna take it to the gym and see what I think about it. So yeah, man, here we have 3 brand new Game of Spades to add to my collection. Ah, man, I need to do another Game of Spades discovery set for my fragrance sampling store. I already got 2 discovery sets, and now I'm gonna do this one, and this one, and then probably Game of Spades No Limit, and just make it the 3rd discovery set for you guys to sample if you don't want to commit to full bottles. Not my favorite brand, but somehow we ended up right here, man. Same as Versace, like I just ended up buying more and more and more, because why not? For you guys, I gotta find the best Game of Spades, so you know, maybe in the future I'll do like a complete Game of Spades buying guide, or like ranking them from worst to best. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. The links are in the description. My smellbettersamples.com website is also in the description. The link is right there. Thank you for watching. Let me know what I should blind buy next. Just smell better.